Digital thermometer indoor hygrometer room temperature by SmartReam is one of the best sellers among baby accessories products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Large, clear digits. The temperature and humidity can be easily read with large clear digits showing on the big LCD screen, for just a glance. 2 types placement. You can put it on the refrigerator with its strong magnet on its back, and place it on tabletop with its retractable stand. Temperature, degrees Fahrenheit, degrees Celsius, humidity display. This thermometer hygrometer can display temperature and humidity. Room thermometer can show in Fahrenheit or Celsius. Max low records. The digital thermometer automatically records the highest and lowest temperature. Reset the records by poke the reset socket on the back of the device. Indicate comfort condition. Smile face appears while indoor temperature and humidity in the comfort range for human. Features. Temperature and humidity display. Large digits on big LCD screen. Record max min values of indoor temperature and humidity. Fahrenheit Celsius, changeable. 2 putting methods. 1. Magnetic stick. 2. Table stand. Super low power consumption. Specification. Indoor temperature range. 14122, -1050. Indoor humidity range. 20% 90% RH. Power supply. 1. 5 VAG13, 1. Smile face appears at indoor temperature. 6477, 1825, and humidity. 40% RH 65% RH. Sad face appears at other indoor temperature and humidity. What's in the box? Thermo hygrometer by 1. Battery. User manual by 1. Please read the manual before using.